So here I have listed out all the items which needs to be there in any of the design basis. In any of the project we have to have one design basis, and these are the items which has to be there. Okay, so I have categorized into three parts. We'll have separate video on each of these part. In this video we are just identifying what are the various things. For example, in first part we'll have introduction to project, what this project is all about. Then abbreviations, definitional parties involved, unit of measurements, what is the design life, what are the codes and standard specifications which we are going to use in the project, order of precedence, then piping material requirement, pros and cons, allowable stresses. So all these things we have to have in any of the design basis. Second part, we have general design philosophy, requirements related to plot plan, equipment layout, what are the requirements for clearances and accessibility. Then what are the various philosophies we are going to use for designing pipe rack, pump piping, pressure vessels, all these piping systems, piping flexibility and supports. Although we will have a separate design basis for stress team, but we'll cover few of the things, few important things, piping design basis also. In third part, we have piping deliverables, like whatever deliverables piping department is going to deliver, those we have to list out, and we have to identify what are the various requirements for delivering all those deliverables. Then installation and painting coating specification we have to mention. Entity requirements we categorize in design basis. Other than this, we have some appendices. Suppose we have some standard specification given by client side that we have to use in the project, that we always add into our design basis. So overall we have to list out all the things which we are going to follow in designing the plant and with the agreement of client. So these are all the items listed in which are required in a design.
So this is a list of fundas which we have already covered under a 2-minute funda series, where we are trying to cover the topic within 2 minutes. In few cases it is exceeding more than 2 minutes, but we are trying our best to cover it within 2 minutes. Okay, we have recently started this series under the same oil and gas funda knowledge sharing platform. Earlier we had covered our 14 topics along with 62 videos. Okay, now we have covered we have started this series 2-minute funda, and we have added more than 100 videos here. So into altogether we have more than 200 videos now. I'm sure you are watching it under standard and HD format along with the subtitles. Many more are on the way, so stay tuned. I'm sure you are enjoying the videos. So see you in the next part.